We're doing a video for this one too, so you guys say cheese.
Let's throw it down until it's dry. Let's go. We're about to get
all ready to rock. Over here, Steamboat Springs. This is where this little puppy's gonna be. And we're off to our next adventure. Got her all loaded up, ready to go. Man, what a beautiful sauna. And this one's a little special. It's got the Iki in it. You guys know what the Iki's all about. That is a beautiful stove that we'll get into a little bit later in this video. Steamboat Springs, Colorado, here we go. Man, what a beautiful morning up here in Waubun, Minnesota. You know, it's not like people come here for tourism or anything, but I tell you what, when you walk out of the shop and you see this in the morning, I tell you what, you feel about a half an inch tall, just knowing how awesome God is. So just wanted to get that off my chest before we leave. I think it's around 5:55 in the morning. We're waiting on a crew that's coming with us. We are gonna actually turn this into kind of an awesome little road trip. My buddy of 30 years and his daughter and his daughter's friend are gonna make the trip all the way to Colorado. And speaking of the devil, look at that, you couldn't have timed it any better. Look at this guy. Are you ready? Are you ready? We are ready to go. Heading out here. Let's check out our little crew here. We got the great Amelia. And then we got the awesome Kalina. And then we have the amazing Justina. All coming with us. You guys ready or what? Let's do this. Cedar Sense Sauna trip, Steamboat Springs, Colorado. Booyah. Oh no. You got a homeless guy trying to hitch a ride. Dude, show off the pics. Stop. Millions are gonna see this, brother. Well, we got into Laramie, Wyoming at, I think it was about 9:30 Mountain. We ate at El Manza's with the shrimp ceviche was excellent. And now we gotta go to our little cabin out in the woods, about a half hour away. The sauna's looking great. Let's ask these guys. Hey, what do you guys think about this barrel sauna here?
That's pretty sweet.
Oh, it's a smoker. Oh, it's a sauna.
Yeah, smoke yourself in it.
Yeah, what if you did smoke? What if you're smoking brisket and yourself?
People like it. There's some kind of a jubilee going on downtown or something, so we are ready to rock. Let's go check on our party. Let's see how they're doing in here. Nice. The sauna is safe and sound, even though you can't see it. We are at Woods Landing, and we're just crashing at a little cabin tonight. It's completely dark out, so I don't know what it looks like outside, but I'm sure it's beautiful. You think it's beautiful out here?
Yeah.
I think we'll find out in the morning, right? Let's check out this little cabin at Woods Landing. Oh, man. All right. Not too shabby. Hey, watch out for that antelope above you. All right, we can dig this. I'm liking it. I call top bunk. We're out here. It's about 5:30 in the morning. Everything looks good, and really didn't even notice, but there's a river right back behind where we stayed. This is where we stayed last night. Pretty cool place. I like it. How pretty is that? I don't even think I have to check the sauna. I don't think nobody messed with it out here last night, which is always a good deal. Usually you're at hotels, you always got to check it, make sure nothing's wrong. But pretty awesome place. Beautiful. Should have brought the fishing rod. But everybody's in there still snoozing up a little bit. I'm gonna go take a shower and get the day started. Quick little.
Where's Amelia?
Oh, no. Oh, all right, I gotta prove a little point here. All right, girls. So last night when we got here, pitch black, and is it true or is it not true that you couldn't walk right over to that building without your dad being with you? Look how ridiculous does that look right now? Hey, during this trip, we're going to all get over one fear, okay? And I think, Kalina, your fear is going to be getting over the fear of the dark. What's your fear going to be you're going to get over?
My fear I'm going to get over is probably sleeping next to my buddy.
There's nothing to fear there. How about you, Amelia? What fear are you going to get over?
I don't know.
Oh, wow.
Wait, maybe being off your phone for 5 seconds.
My only fear is hippopotamuses, so I don't think we're going to tackle that fear over this trip.
It's been a long week, trying to make ends meet. Going nowhere fast, I'm so tired of the same routine. No use in walking the line, let's push our cares away. That bottle's calling our name, and we ain't leaving till it's dry. We're about to get our minds right. Yeah, we can keep it going all night. Yeah, we're gonna drink until it's dry. Low lights settling in, the room is picking up. Feels like we're stepping in to shake the day right out. So
Ryan and Malin here, and I'm telling you, this might be the most beautiful place we've had one of these barrel saunas at, and they have not walked in here yet. They've been biting at the chomp here to get in.
Is it time?
Chomping at the bit. Yeah, see, I get nervous on them too. So we're gonna let them walk in for the very first time. We want to capture what it's like to walk in into one of these barrel saunas.
Open it up.
You go in. Oh, is that how you open it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Gorgeous. Where's Caitlin?
Better get in here, Caitlin.
Caitlin, get in!
Well, smell that.
Man.
Oh,
That's the one
serious.
thing I can never capture on video is the smell
Oh.
that you guys get. Look at that.
Check this out. Look at that view.
That's gonna be sweet. Look at that view. I mean,
It's like
that
perfectly centered too.
that's a beautiful 2017 Ram right there. Look at that. I'm telling you.
No, this is awesome. Smells great.
Yeah.
Quality is just
I can
incredible.
store my wool sweaters in here.
Yeah. Boss wouldn't bother him at all.
No, it's beautiful.
No, it's just pretty.
No, thank you,
I
Mike.
gotta thank both you guys.
No, thank
Thank
you.
you
This
very
is
much.
beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
You guys drove it out and landed it perfectly.
This
That's pretty
is
sweet.
He's gonna put
I'm gonna walk you through everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty
It's
sweet.
beautiful.
when I'm alone with you, everything is alright. When I can hold you close, there's nothing better than to have you by my side. I can tell my way looking at me. We ain't gotta worry 'cause I'm meant to be. When I'm alone with you, everything is alright.
Sean, you're Brian. Like I said, this is one of the most beautiful places we've gotten one to. What I want to show you, what Brian's going to be fortunate enough to do every time he comes in here, is the view. Look at the freaking view you're gonna get.
Just gorgeous view.
And isn't that mountain we're looking at there? You said that's a ski mountain?
Steamboat ski mountain.
Steamboat ski mountain, right outside of Steamboat Springs, Colorado. And then you went all out with the EP, which is a beautiful slow down. You walking through by that coiled exhaust, heats things up quicker. This is pretty sweet. Brian, I want to thank you, man.
Thank you, Mike. It's beautiful.
Thanks for having trust in us to deliver.
No, it's beautiful.
Yeah, you definitely created some memories. I got, my friend of 30 years with us and his daughter. Yeah, thank you very much. And off to Idaho we go.
When I'm alone with you, everything is alright. When I can hold you close, nothing better than you by my side. I can see it in your eyes.